Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a coach board for basketball. I was trying to cover up the little barcode just because sometimes Amazon does not like that. But let's just open this up and I'll show you guys what it is here. And this is it here. It says coach board, and it comes in a nice kind of like a leatherette looking thing here. And it's got magnet closed. See that? And then we open it up here, and here we are. So we have a picture of a basketball court. We have our different player numbers, so we can put the players on there and kind of set it all up. And then we have a dry erase there, and it looks like it even has a little hanging thing here, so we can hold it like that. Let's open this up here and check out how these magnets look on there. And so it looks like we have for half court, so we can set up a half court team and a full court team. And we have all these different numbers here. We have the maybe yellow and red, a little colorblind, so. But then we can punch out the letters and the basketballs and put them on. And you can kind of see how we can, say where we want our players to be. I don't know if you can see that, but there. So we can say, hey, you guys have to be in this positions here. So you can kind of give them their positions of where they need to be on the court and save it up. And then you can even close it up with it in there. And those little magnets are going to stay on there because they're magnetized. And then you could even draw with the dry erase. Let's give that a shot. Let's see, how do we open this? There, like that. So we have the dry erase. Then I could say, okay, number 10, you got to go around here. So like that. So I can draw it on there. So really cool. And then when I'm done with that one there, I could just use the top of it and erase it. Sweet. So totally cool little gadget here, and you can take this along for your basketball games, or if you have a favorite coach you want to give it to, I'm sure they would appreciate having something like this. Super cool. Thumbs up from me.